Assalamu alaikum and welcome to the weekly embroidery series. In today's video, we will be making this gorgeous leafy hoop with the pattern of the red dots on top. So let's not wait any further and start making this hoop. Firstly, let's do the sketch and then we will start doing the embroidery part. For sketching, I am using a waterproof ink pen. You can also use a pencil to sketch your leaf. It's your choice. And now let's begin the stitching. Always remember to secure your thread by tying a knot at the end of your thread. And now I will start making the leaf using a satin stitch. To get a neat and more full look, just take the stitches as closely as you can, like this. And in this way, we will fill up our whole shape and complete our leaf. And we are almost done with our first leaf. Look how full it is looking. Now let's do the second leaf similarly and we will make all our leaves in this way. We are almost done with our leaves and now we will secure our thread. For securing the thread, we will just pass the needle like this and cut the thread. There is no need to tie a knot again at the end. And now the stem part. For the stem, I am using a stem stitch to do this. Now we are done with our stem as well and we will secure the thread like we do earlier. And now it's time to add some texture to our leaf. I am using a contrasting color of red so that it will be more visible with the green shade I have used. You can use any color of your preference. I just like this maroonish red with the green shade I have used, so I use this color. And this maroon and green are really looking cute together. But it's totally your choice. You can use any color of your liking. And now we are done with our leaf. This is one of my most favorite leaves to do, and I just add a little twist by adding this red freckles on top of it. I hope you enjoy this video and have learned something new today. And now I would love to see you again in my next video. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again in Weekly Embroidery.